Hi, I'm Dr. Alvin holistic practitioner, licensed chiropractor, and body talk practitioner here at the Richmond Hill Clinic of Med Rehab Group in Ontario, Canada. I want to share with you a new discovery that I've found in helping people get out of pain as quickly as possible from a holistic perspective. I've been very fortunate over the years to have been able to play a small part in helping thousands of people get out of pain as quickly as possible. But one of the things that a lot of people didn't know is that I actually was suffering from my own chronic symptoms. I actually had my own low back pain that I started experiencing in my late teens. And, for some of you who have had back pain or currently have back pain, you know how debilitating it is. How there's days we can't get out of bed. And there were days where it was such a struggle to just brush my teeth or put my clothes on. And so, like most of us who are in pain, we decide we're going to do something about it. I'm going to seek out either natural or conventional treatments. And so I did what a lot of us do. I went to see a massage therapist. I went to get chiropractic adjustments. I did physiotherapy exercises and stretches, and I even got orthotics for my feet. You know what? They all worked. Like, I actually felt better with the treatments. The thing that was frustrating though was that a few weeks, maybe a few months later, the pain seemed to come back, and always out of nowhere. And really that's what was upsetting and frustrating, was that I didn't seem to do anything to bring it on. And so again, being somebody that was young, generally active and healthy, I couldn't understand why I kept having this pain. And so it was around that time that I started on this journey to look for answers. I needed to find out what was really happening. I needed to know that there had to be an explanation why I was experiencing what I was experiencing. And that's really when I came across this new paradigm of health, this new paradigm called German New Medicine. And the beauty of German New Medicine is that, like I mentioned earlier, it looks at us from a holistic perspective. We don't look at just the part of the body that's involved with the symptoms. It's not about the low back or your shoulder or your knee. We have to understand that every organ is actually controlled from the brain. So we need to understand what's happening in the brain. And because the brain is involved, we know that our emotions, our stressors, definitely impact how the brain functions. And so German New Medicine is the first time that I was able to actually implement all components of that model, where we look at your emotional state, we look at how the brain is being affected, and we look at the symptoms that you're experiencing as one biological unit. So we no longer look at each patient as their symptom, we look at them from a holistic perspective. And when I started to apply this in my own life, I actually have been out of back pain, or haven't had any severe cases of back pain for the past 4 years. And so after I started to get the results with my own health, I started to apply it slowly into my practice. And what I saw was, it was astonishing, the results we were getting. So not only does German New Medicine and the understanding of it apply seamlessly with my practice as a body talk practitioner and a chiropractor, but I was actually getting to help people get out of their pain quicker than ever before. It got to a point where people were with chronic ailments that had tried everything, that were in pain for 15, 20 years, were seeing results in less than 5 visits. It really changed my practice with this new understanding of health. And I actually started to attract other patients, because we started to see people with now chronic allergies, people with digestive issues and irritable bowel. We started to get people with anxiety and skin disorders. And the amazing thing is, when you apply the knowledge of German New Medicine, this holistic perspective, with my previous training as a chiropractor and energy practitioner and a body talk practitioner, we actually were able to help a lot of these people get rid of their symptoms and get out of pain quicker than we even imagined. And so it's amazing to see how relevant this is in today's perspective of health. So if everything that we've talked about here resonates with you, or if it's something that you feel like you're interested in learning more about, then I encourage you to contact us and to visit our website at medrehabgroup.com. Or if you'd like to learn even more information, contact me directly. Email me at alvin@medrehabgroup.com, and on the subject line, enter add to list. That way I'll be able to send you more information about upcoming events or webinars. And for those of you out there that are actually right now experiencing chronic pain, or maybe you've had allergies or digestive issues that you haven't had real results with in the past, well, I encourage you to call us. Call us today, and call at the Med Rehab Clinic in Richmond Hill. Contact us at 905 417-4499, and we'll see what we can do to get you out of your pain as quickly as possible. Thank you, and see you soon.